Hello bit family, welcome to my channel. In today's video what we have for you is how to cook porridge beans, and this is black eye beans. You can use any beans of your choice, and the vegetable we are going to use is spinach. Okay, and still on my mother healthy recipe part 2. Another recipe we have for today's porridge beans is pepper mix. This pepper mix is combination of scotch bonnet pepper, fresh tomato, ginger and garlic, and some onion, and it has been boiled already. And we also have extra ginger and garlic and some onion, because we are instructed by the doctors that anything we are cooking for my mother, that we should add more ginger and garlic. Okay, so follow us alongside in this porridge beans recipe to know other of our recipe that we added that makes these porridge beans healthy. Let's go there. This is the beans. What we want to do now is to parboil it. Why we are parboiling it is because a lot of people complain of heartburn after eating beans, and some people also complain of bloating after eating beans. So for that reason, beans contain a lot of gas. So now our water is on the fire. It has started boiling. I'll add the beans to it directly. I will stir to combine and then cover to boil. So while the beans is on boiling, let's cut the spinach and also use our asanka to grind the extra ginger, garlic and onion. Okay, so let's start the process. I don't want to cut it so tiny. Okay. I will record them to make sure they are not too long. And this is good to go. After cutting the vegetable, next is to grind our ginger and garlic. And this is how I'll keep doing it until it is well grinded, and then I'll get back to you to tell you the next thing. And this is as well ready. As you can see, the beans have started boiling. I will remove it from the heat and wash it off the camera, then I'll get back to you. Okay, have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Share this video, like the video and drop your beautiful comment. Thank you. This is the beans after parboiling it. As you can see, it has doubled in size. Now I will pour it inside this boiling water gently, because this is a hot water. Now I will cover it and allow it for about 20 to 25 minutes until it is very soft. Then I will get back to you. Okay. So this is the oil. I will not allow it to blanch. Okay. I will now add the onion. I do not allow the oil to blanch for some health reasons. Okay. I will saute it for a while. Next is to add the pepper mix. I will stir to combine. Remember I told you that this pepper mix has already been boiled, so it won't take much time on the heat. But I'll just give it like about 10 minutes to dry properly. Now the sauce is properly dry, but not all that dry, but before it will finally dry, I will add the ginger and garlic and grind it. This ginger and garlic, why I will not add it on time, is for you not to lose the how to make it. And also, I don't want to also lose the flavor. I want to retain the flavor in the beans. Next thing I will add is a little crayfish, seasoning cube, and a little salt. After everything, I will stir to combine very well. You can even use this sauce to eat rice, as you can see how beautiful it looks. So after stirring well, I'll allow it for about 10 minutes to dry properly. This is the sauce. It is properly dry, as you can see. Before we put it down, let's check and balance the first. This smells good. And I'm sure it will taste good as well. This is delicious. Now I'll remove it from the heat and set aside. As I set it aside, I'll just go straight to the beans to see if it is salted. This is beans. It has softened. There's no two ways about it. So since the beans is softened, next is to add the sauce and some other healthy recipes I told you I'll be adding. This is grilled tilapia fish. You can decide to use chicken or anything, but for beans, using a dry thing is the best. I will add the grilled tilapia fish to the beans. And after adding the grilled tilapia fish, I will spray it out properly and then add the sauce. So after adding the sauce, I will as well spray it out. I'll cover on a low heat for just 4 or 5 minutes. Then I will come back. 5 minutes later, I am back once again to stir it together. Have you been looking for a healthy way to cook beans or to add beans to your menu? This is the best way to cook your beans. And after cooking your beans this way, you must definitely come back to thank me later. After stirring it together, the next thing we'll add is the spinach. I will add the spinach carefully, spread it out carefully on top of the beans. Have you ever cooked your beans with spinach before? Whether yes or no, let me know at the comment section and tell me the outcome. After adding the spinach, I'll cover it carefully and allow it to cook for just 3 minutes. This is 3 minutes later. Wow! This looks so beautiful. I will stir to combine once more. Beans and leafy green vegetables are very healthy. As you know, leafy green vegetables are healthy. What leafy green do you like cooking with your beans? Let me know in the comment section. After stirring it to combine, we'll check and balance the styles to see if there are things we need to add. This is delicious. This beans is ready. Let's remove it from the heat. Beauty family, this is the end of the video. We have dished the food out and this is the outcome of the beans. Let's test and see how it is. This is so delicious. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video with my mother healthy recipe part 3. Try to subscribe to this channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like this video, share this video to your funniest friend, and drop your beautiful comment. God bless you.